So my name is Eva. I'm 22 and I'm a medical student. So originally I'm from Lithuania, but I'm studying in Germany and been here in Brighton for like 9 months already. Like we'll be going soon back. And I learned TM 1 month ago, so it's exactly 1 month now. I've started TM because I was feeling very nervous inside me, and also was dealing with anxiety, feeling uncomfortable between people and a bit nervous and not calm. And as well, like the main reason why I wanted to try it was the feeling of detachment, like detached from reality. It's a very weird feeling actually, and I had this feeling like for 2 years, about 2 years. Yeah, it's a feeling when you just when you don't feel other people, when you don't feel yourself, when you don't feel like you just feel so empty and lack of emotions, and like days just merge into each other. And I've tried like earlier also like therapy, like psychotherapy, and also medication, but actually nothing really helped with it. And so I don't know, I just heard about TM like from my GP, and because like a month ago, no, 2 months ago, I was also still not feeling very well, and he just suggested me this. I was like very curious how it helps so quickly for those people. They were saying it's very positive effect, and they felt it after a few days. And I also wanted that, and but a bit I was suspicious if it's not like marketing or something. It's just like selling product. Meditation is very popular nowadays. And then there was like the free event, like to know a bit more about it. Then I went to Brighton TM Center. Yeah. Yeah, I was making up my mind if I shall do it or not. But then I just decided like that like Mark, like he looked like very nice, and like very friendly person, and like positive atmosphere. So I just then thought it couldn't be worse if I try this. So I thought like I'll do this. Yeah, like after my first few days I felt like I had so much energy. And it was so weird for me, and then it was something like, I don't know, I just felt so much joy like after like few days. It's, I don't know, something amazing. Overall, like in this month, I think the benefits I felt so far is that like talking about feelings, so I just feel more like me, and like I feel more the reality, other people. It was actually my aim, like to be myself again, and like to feel the environment, other people, like to just, yeah, and I think TM just gave me that feeling back. Yeah, like it's got much more better. I think I feel more grounded, like than like less detached, and I hope, like I think it could get better, but like after a month, like just a month, what could no therapy or medicaments do, like TM just gave me this, so I'm very happy about it. Like it's such a, like, I don't know, just such a good experience. And overall I just feel more calm inside me, like, and also more self-confident. I get up with, like, just communicate with people better. And I think the anxiety thing is not that big anymore. Yeah, so I do feel positive benefits from it.